Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at 3 of the top tablets currently on the market, the latest ASUS ZenPad 3S10 and 2 of its competitors. This video will allow you to better understand what these 3 top tablets have to offer and help you make the right decision when it comes to buying a tablet to fit your needs. Here we have the ASUS ZenPad 3S10, which hit the market in August of 2016. It will be going head-to-head with the iPad Air 2, which was released in October 2014, and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S2, which was released in July of 2015. First off, let's start by taking a look at the build quality of each of these 3 10-inch tablets. Both the iPad and ZenPad feature a premium aluminum body. The Galaxy does have a metal strip around the bezel, but it has a plastic back, and while that makes it the lightest of the 3, it just doesn't achieve the same premium feel of the ZenPad or the iPad. The ZenPad, with its forged aluminum body and double diamond cut edges, is lighter and thinner than the iPad, coming in at a mere 430 grams or a little less than a pound. Now let's take a look at computing power. Features like processor speed, internal memory, and battery life might not jump out at you when you go to test drive one of these tablets at your local store. But make no mistake, these features make a huge impact on the user experience in the long run. When it comes to processor speed and internal memory, the ZenPad and the Galaxy both beat the iPad. The ZenPad features a Hexa-core with 4 GB of RAM. The Galaxy has an octo processor with 3 GB of RAM, while the iPad has the lowest performance specs, with a triple-core processor and just 2 GB of RAM. As for the battery, the iPad has the largest battery at 7,340 mAh. The ZenPad's battery is 5,900 mAh, and the Galaxy's battery is slightly smaller at 5,870 mAh. Of these 3 tablets, the ZenPad is the only device to use Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 technology. This advanced charging technology is engineered to refuel devices up to 4 times faster than with conventional charging. This really makes a huge difference when you need to power up your tablet but are short on time. Moving on to cameras, all 3 of these tablets have 8-megapixel rear cameras. The ZenPad's Pixel Master camera captures stunning high-res photos with 0 shutter lag and an industry-leading low-light mode. This mode uses pixel merging technology to capture night or low-light shots that are 400% brighter without the need for a flash. For selfies and video conferencing, the ZenPad blows away the competition with a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. The front-facing camera on the Galaxy is 2.1 megapixels and the iPad is just 1.2 megapixels. Now it's time to move on to the displays. All 3 devices feature 9.7-inch 2048 by 1536 screens, but it turns out that not all 9.7-inch screens are created equal. One statistic that pops out when comparing the screens of these 3 tablets is the screen-to-body ratio. The Galaxy, with its Super AMOLED, has a screen-to-body ratio of 72.71%, while the iPad has an IPS display with a screen-to-body ratio of 71.65%, comparable to that of the Galaxy tablet. But here's where the ZenPad really stands out. Not only does it have a 78% screen-to-body ratio, which is significantly larger than either the Samsung or the Apple, it also has an extra-wide 178-degree viewing angle, and it's complemented by the world's thinnest bezel, measuring only 5.32 millimeters. In addition, it uses ASUS's own Visual Master technology, which includes true-to-life, true vivid, and blue light filter technologies that enhance all aspects of the display. ASUS True-to-Life technology optimizes every pixel to deliver incredible contrast and sharpness for beautiful images that look just like real life. The key to making a display as true to the source as possible is to eliminate the extra layers between your eye and the pixels on the screen. This is where True Vivid comes in. In other tablets, such as the Galaxy and the iPad, there are often adhesive layers used to keep the touch and upper glass layers together. True Vivid combines these layers into one, eliminating the air gap and building the touch sensor right into the LCD. The end result is 94% transparency, which is 8% better than the transparency of traditional construction. Overall, this makes the ZenPad's display less reflective but clearer, giving users the ultimate viewing experience on a tablet. Finally, let's take a look at how these tablets stack up against each other in terms of audio quality. The Galaxy has a pair of speakers at the bottom edge of the tablet, while the iPad has a pair of slightly louder stereo speakers, but since they are so close together, the stereo separation on the iPad is quite poor. The ZenPad's Sonic Master 3.0 technology combines more audio innovations than you'll find on any other tablet. More volume, more quality, and more effects. Dual 5-magnet speakers are driven by a powerful NXP smart amp for expansive high-volume output. And when it's time for immersive listening, the ZenPad is able to output certified high-res audio that's 4 times better than CD quality. DTS headphone X audio effects also allow users to enjoy virtual 7.1 surround sound. Extra spacing of the speakers also ensures that users get a truer stereo experience than with the iPad. Add that depth of stereo sound to the crystal clear display, and you get something truly special in this 10-inch tablet. So if a top-class entertainment experience is what you are looking for in your new tablet, the ZenPad 3S10 is your choice.